When putting on an event during Techweek19, top 5 things to remember are: number 1, target audience. Think about who you want in the room. It's important not to get too broad, otherwise you end up diluting your messaging and your objectives get too stretched. So keep it simple, keep your target audience really clear and concise. Secondly, budget. Make sure you can keep track of your numbers in line with how much you've got to spend. 3, venue. Where might the best place be to hold your event? Is it in town? Is it on the outskirts of town? Once you identify who your target audience is, bear this in mind when you're trying to find the suitable venue. 4, the format of your event. What style of event best suits your event idea and also, again, your target audience? There's lots of different types of events out there, and it's best to keep in mind what you'd like to achieve. Is it a conference, panel discussion, networking? And the 5th point, what's your event about? Once you know where your venue is going to be held, who your event's targeted at, what type of event you're going to be doing, this will all work towards what you actually want the content to be. Once you've got your event idea, feel free to jump on the discussion forum and connect with our regional coordinators who will help you submit your event and join the Techweek19 festival.